Hi, welcome to Motor Gadget, and you're watching this because you have a solar cell Samsung remote control that no longer works with your Samsung TV, which is really annoying. So the two basic things to do is make sure that it's charged. The solar panel on the back here needs to be exposed to light, so maybe it's been not and it's been down or underneath your sofa. You can plug it in via a USB-C, leave it for 20-30 minutes, try it again. If however you find that your TV has powered down, maybe you've had a recent power cut, it may have unpaired. The way to repair the remote control is to push these two buttons, the back button and the play pause button, at the same time for 3 to 5 seconds, and a message will come up on to telly to say, do you want to repair? However, if you are having this issue in which I plug in my USB, and this is quite a common one, the light on the top is flashing like this. You can't really see it because it's a steady light. What you can do is, if I unplug that, this USB-C is just blow into it, or the sticker underneath here, if I show you, when you peel this off, there are two screws. Hold on. See these screws here underneath this sticker? If you undo them just ever so slightly so it just pries it apart and then put it back together, you will find that it will work. So if you're having an issue in which you're plugging in your USB-C cable and this light on the top here is flashing, then best thing to do is blow down the USB-C, or alternately undo those screws, slightly release it, clamp it back up together, and it should work. Hope that's helped. Thanks for watching.